Top 10 Business News in World as of July 29, 2024. 1. Bitcoin experienced a further surge following former U.S. President Donald Trump's keynote address in support of cryptocurrencies. This development may reignite concerns about the European Union's regulations over the controversial market. 2. Ryanair has lost its final battle against a state-made loan to Austria Airlines worth €150 million and awarded during the COVID pandemic when lockdown meant airlines lost huge amounts of money. 3. Pune Real Estate, MRF leases 3.85 lakh square featuring warehousing space in Pune at a monthly rent of 1.04 crore rupees for 5 years. 4. This week will be marked by interest rate decisions from 3 major central banks, the Bank of England, BOE, the Federal Reserve, Fed, and the Bank of Japan, BOJ. Additionally, inflation readings from the euro area will be in the region's spotlight. 5. McDonald's reported a surprise drop in sales worldwide, its first decline in 13 quarters, as the higher cost of Big Macs kept cash-conscious customers away from the burger giant's outlets. 6. Microsoft investors will have one big question when the tech giant reports earnings on Tuesday. Has growth in its Azure cloud computing business picked up enough to justify the billions of dollars being spent on artificial intelligence infrastructure? 7. British retailers suffered another bad month in July and expect further weakness in August as poor weather and generally weak trading conditions continued to hamper demand, the Confederation of British Industry said on Monday. 8. Dubai-based private developer Daymak Properties on Monday launched a project which will be dedicated entirely for the Emirati brokers to sell it to residents and foreign investors. 9. Apple's highly anticipated AI tools, known as Apple Intelligence, are set to launch later than initially expected. According to a recent Bloomberg report, these tools will be released following the debut of the new iOS 18 software for iPhones and iPads. 10. Rattled investors are bracing for earnings from the market's biggest tech companies, a Federal Reserve policy meeting and closely watched employment data in a week that could determine the near-term trajectory of U.S. stocks following a bout of severe turbulence.